name is Per Magnus, and I will be helping you prepare for digital participation in the course. So this is no like rocket science. It's not like we have every single answer to every single everything, but we've got some pretty good experience and some ideas about how you can get more out of your course, your digital participation in the course. So let's have a look at that. So this video then is about preparing for a virtual course or workshop, an event. How can we have fun online while training is the big question. So when it comes to preparation, let's have a look at some things before the batteries run out. When it comes to non-technology, things that are not really related to technology, it is technology, I guess, but play around with the technology 1 or 2 days ahead. You will get links to where you log in and stuff. Make sure you understand that, how that works. Call up a friend and have a conference with that friend if you haven't done that. Be reasonably early, be there, a few minutes before. Assume that your technology and your, hookup with the training will not work. And dress for success. And by dressing for success, we say that be ready to be, face to face over the digital medium. Please, show your face. And there are blurring mechanisms in most training software. So, if it looks a little messy back home, the blurring thing will make sure that we just see you and not the messy stuff behind you. So please show your face. It become much more human. So let's try that. Technology-wise, get a headset if you haven't one, and pay for one you can live with for hours, whatever that is, depending on how sensitive your hearing is. Really, I've got a couple of really expensive headset for me, but maybe just whatever you have with your phone works with your computer also. And then verify that the audio and video works. So play with that, make sure it works, make sure your technology works. So then let's have a look at what happens at training, the day of or during the events. There are some rather simple things. As we were saying, use your video. You will feel more alive, and people looking at you will feel more alive, and it will not just be names. So we do encourage you to use your video feed and not turn it off. Start your day with exercise. If you're thinking about it, do it. If you're not thinking about it, take a walk or something, because the more oxygen you get into your body, you're more awake, and get to bed reasonably early the night before. Move during, just as in any workshop setting, the facilitators, the trainers, we will make you get up and get down and, move. When we have lunch, when we have breaks, run around the house, whatever. Make something up. Make up a reason for you to move, and drink plenty of water during the day. Possibly, if you're not drinking water but drinking coffee, you're ending up drinking too much coffee. So do think about drinking plenty of water, and also, start your morning with a liter, or just below a liter if you're a small person, and maybe liter and a half if you're a really big person. So the exercise and the water means that your body starts working, and that will make you more awake. And also stand up, sit down a little bit, stand up some, move around. It's good for your back. It's good for making sure that you stay awake. And also, if you're coming online, we're suggesting this for all courses, is that you will be more awake if you're more goal-driven. So think about, what is your situation? Why are you taking this course? What are your challenges? What do you want to learn? In the best of worlds, can the course that you're taking help you become, have more fun at work, basically, and do a better job? So what exactly problem? Where do you want to go? So if you just, sit down in a cafe or, at home, and just consider these things. What do you want? Some mental preparation will mean that you get more out of the course. And if you're connecting with us digitally over video, the more mentally prepared you are, the more you will get out of the course. So if you have any more questions, you can contact any of us, email, phone, me, Jacob, or Kesa will help you out. So, I'll be seeing you. If you're seeing this video, probably I'll be seeing you digitally. So hope to see you, maybe see your face also. So please consider that. And, whatever you can do to stay more awake, the better it is. A lot of things that we do when you're physically happen automatically. So when you're connecting from home, you will need to consciously make sure that you do things that happens almost automatically when you're there, physically face to face. So good to see. Will be good to see you. Have fun and be good.